and Craft Corner. On this video I'm showing you my adorable mixed media snowman. I hope you're enjoying watching this. I think it's cute. I'm looking for a name though. If anybody can figure out a nice name for my snowman, please add it within the comments, because he has no name right now. He's my no-name mixed media snowman. There he's at the back and he's coming to say hello. We're going to turn him around. He's saying hello, happy holidays to all of you. Okay, so my happy little snowman was made out of 3 styrofoam balls. It is a little bit crooked and I could have straightened it out, but I thought it added character. My little, nobody is perfect in life, even a snowman. So we made him a little bit crooked, and I figured my snowman likes birds to feed in the wintertime. So the hands are made, the gloves, the birds are all with polymer clay. I've added a touch of string throughout the waist, twine, not string. I added twine throughout and you can just see that I added on the very bottom of that, believe it or not, to make it shiny like snow, is Epsom salt. There's gold and it's brushed over with a white acrylic paint. The eyes here, I made them a few years back. They're made out of polymer clay, and I made these eyes homemade from it. Added a little bit of sparkle, because you can't have a snowman without sparkles. This is a piece of dowel that I wrapped around with twine. So all this is all twine all throughout the snowman. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. I hope it gives you an idea how to decorate a snowman for this year's Christmas. Happy holidays.